What's up, gang? Welcome to another video. Me and Isaac finna do something different today. Right, Isaac?
Yeah.
What we're gonna do or what?
Put in the mirrors.
With your green ass lips. Got a new packaging. Let's see, pull them, Isaac. We got these new tow mirrors for the big white truck. Let's see. Let's check it out. Man, they're kind of heavy, no? All right. I got the LED light right here, the yellow amber light, signal light, and it comes with all the wiring.
This thing's heavy.
It is pretty heavy. All right, let's go take off the ones that it has on now. All right, we're gonna take off these little plastic covers here. Okay. All right, so it's like a size 10 millimeter, and it has like the little nut right there. Got a little crybaby here. Dang, girl, you thirsty or what? Huh? You big crybaby. What?
I had a splinter in my foot, so I had to take it off.
Oh, yeah, because you're wearing sandals, my boy. Like your coat over there, digging a hole. Trying to dig into China. All right, let's take off these mirrors. This one was like a cheap ass one. Look, this is like the original one. It's all falling apart already. Okay, it looks like it's like a T20 or whatever. It's like a start. Jeez. Yeah, that's good. So I think it's a T15. Let's see. Yeah.
Shouldn't someone be holding it?
Yeah, it's junk anyways.
Oh, so if it falls?
Okay, let me take off those. I think the other ones are 10s.
The heck?
Like Diddy Kong?
Yeah.
At the old school Donkey Kong game?
Yeah.
When you hit Diddy Kong, he goes, ah!
I like that game.
Okay, my boy.
Ow. Ow. All I see is Diddy. All I see is Kong.
What?
Diddy Kong. Oh, snap.
Oh shit, I just broke it off. But look, they were all like that already. So we're gonna put a washer and fix it. These are the mirrors that came out. They're a piece of junk. So now we know why these were coming off all loose. These things were cracked right here. So we're just gonna try to fix it as best we can. All right, so we took those off. We're gonna put the new ones in. I think we're gonna need washers though.
Oh, look, there's a plane. It's pretty cool.
Okay, so just feed the wires in there first. Got it?
Yeah.
Pull it more. All right. Hold this mirror right there.
I got bit by a mosquito.
By a mosquito. All right, now we're gonna drill it right here. All right, that was pretty easy. Now we're gonna do this side. Bring the other mirror, Isaac. Maybe the old ones, we can put them on Grandpa's truck. All right, guys, I got them bolted in. So this truck is like the base model, so it doesn't have like the power options for the mirrors. Man, they look clean. They used to have the roll-up thing to roll up the windows, but I installed these motors off of Amazon. So the signals aren't gonna work. They ain't gonna like connect directly, so I had to make my own plugs. I'm gonna figure out how to do that right now. So these were the old ones, and those are the new ones. It's the chrome. There's like a little LED thing right there. I think they have one. Oh no, it's right here. LED. And over there. Pull out the plastic. So much better. It came with like a plug like this. They came also with these. That plug looks like it goes into that red and black one. And then it also came with two of these purple ones with one single wire. I don't know, maybe that's like constant power. So when, I don't know. I'm gonna test it out right now though. All right, so this is the one that's coming from the mirror, and this is the one that they supplied you with. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Whichever way it goes, I think it goes like this. All right, now I'm gonna run the other ends directly to the battery to see what turns on these mirrors. All right, I got the positive connected. I'm gonna put the negative right here, the negative terminal side of the battery. And you can see it's that light that turns on. I wonder if the LED in the front is on. Okay, yeah, so it is the signal light. I didn't even know it had that LED in there. All right, so we're gonna connect those to these amber light, the signal lights to the lights. All right, let me cut you back on right now. All right, so that purple one that came from the mirror, I'll put it directly to the battery too to test out which one turns on. And I think it's this one. Let me make sure it's plugged in. All right, I put the purple one into the power, the purple line or purple wire, and it turns on that LED. So I'm gonna hook everything up so you guys can see how I did it, and I'll show you the end results right now. All right, gang, look, I got the lights working now. Those signal lights, those red lights that are in the grill, I already had those on. I don't know why they're flickering like that. But here they are. See, they have that little amber light right there. So I just ran them through inside the firewall. Then I came back out and I found where that wire goes for that directional light in there. And I just pinned it up to it. Just hook it up to that one. Alright gang, that pretty much does it for this video. That was an easy install. Catch you on the next video.